Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss about why use pandas while there are many other tools like Excel. We already know Microsoft Excel, and we know the SQL, which is a database language. So there are so many other tools for data manipulations, for handling data. Tabular data means uh, data which consists in the format of rows and columns. Okay, so there are so many tools are available already. Why use pandas? What is the speciality of pandas when compared to the other tools? Let us discuss. So why pandas? Pandas is a very fast and efficient data frame object with the default and customized indexing. So all these points is somewhat related to the topics of pandas, which will be understood only if we jump into the topics. But as a general introduction, I will discuss some main points which makes Python special when compared to the other tools, friends. Okay, so if any words or any sentences make you mm, uh, feeling trouble, so don't worry, it will be understood in the next classes, no problem, just to listen. So it's fast and efficient data frame object. Data frame is nothing but a pandas jargon, friends. In pandas, simple. Uh, Generally, we know this. We know what is a table. In SQL also, in MySQL or in Microsoft Excel, we all talked about table. Okay, the table consists of what? Rows and columns. Okay, so in pandas the same table is called as data frame. That's it, friends. Simple as that. Okay, fast and efficient data frame. Wherever data frame comes, you just imagine data frame is a just a table. Okay, so don't think that data frame is, what is this data frame, like that. It's a simple table. Okay, fast and efficient data frame object with the default and customized indexing. Default and customized indexing, all these topics I will discuss very detailedly in the next classes. So just I am introducing the specialties of pandas here. This scope, the scope of the class is this much only. uh, Pandas tools for loading data into in-memory data objects from different file formats. That means pandas will have different tools and different methods to load data from outside world to the inside pandas memory containers. Okay, so this is a very important task in data collection stage in a data science project, friends. So for a data science project we need data. So where from the data comes? Data comes from wide variety of ways and with a wide variety of formats. Data is available. Okay, so from web scraping, uh, so it may be in the text file, in the doc file, in the JSON format, or in the CSV format. So many formats, XLS format, so many formats. Data is available in the outside world. We have to collect that data and store into the pandas memory. So pandas can able to do it, friends. And then moving to third point, after collecting the data, what we do is we need to do so much vigorous cleaning, handling missing data. Some data is always unavailable, so we have to deal with that missing data, and some duplicates are available, so we have to handle the duplicated data also. With pandas, all these tasks are very simple, friends. Okay, and then reshaping and pivoting of data sets. Simple means, in suppose the same task, when we use the other tools like excel or some other data manipulation tools, it is somewhat difficult, friends. Okay, so pandas is not a simple for it's not meant for simple tasks. In excel, we will do some simple tasks like editing, simple find and replace. These tasks are very simple, but situations may arise uh, for some complicated tasks. So for all those complicated tasks, the answer is pandas package, friends. Okay, then reshaping and pivoting of data sets, and label and numerical based slicing. Okay, label and numeric based slicing, friends. It's not only numeric based, and it's a label based slicing also, and indexing and subsetting of large data sets, and columns from a data structure can be deleted or inserted. Some of the points are also available in excel, but pandas will do more than that. So group by data for aggregation and transformations, high performance merging and joining of data, and concatenating two tables like we did in MySQL. Okay, and the time series functionality and the built-in data visualizations. One of the coolest features of the pandas is it has a built-in data visualizations, which was brought from matplotlib, which is another beautiful Python library for data visualization, friends. Okay, these are the some of the important features which makes pandas a very special tool and very handy tool and favorite tool for a data scientists and machine learning engineers, friends. Okay, and in the next class we will discuss how to install the pandas, friends. Till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.